All right, so inside of 1018 Summerhaven, I'm sure there's still some work that needs to be done. Needs to be cleaned here. I'm not really sure why the floor is soft here at the front door, but that may have been something in the inspection report. Looks like this door seal needed to be replaced. That would just be something to do. Make sure that if you're noticing things like that, that they're getting taken care of. I'm not sure that anything could have been done with these walls, but maybe that's just the texture that they had. So in here in the kitchen, I'm just seeing some details, like this trim and that broken door stop, without the end on it. Just little details like that. I'm even, open to replacing hardware on doors. These are kind of older and broken a little bit. So just taking the initiative to replace those kinds of things to make sure that they're in top shape, and that they don't break and then we have to come back and fix them, in 3 months. This kitchen, not ideal. Looks like, just little details like around this door should be touched up a little better. I guess the walls look okay. It just hasn't been completely cleaned yet. Maybe that still needs to happen. Like this refrigerator needs some attention. Okay, washer and dryer were included. That's nice. So little details like this, if it's some kind of filler, something that can fill that space, that just needs to be done to create a finished look. I'm not sure exactly what you could use, maybe some wood putty or some type of filler needs to go and stuff like that. Okay, master bedroom, the trim. Just some minor touch up, like that little crack right there, just make sure stuff like that's getting filled in. These items just need to come out of the closet. I would, being a walk-in closet, I would like to see stuff like this touched up on the walls. Just attention to detail, I just feel it's super important. We definitely don't want to go overboard, but these are things that I think are going to make a difference. And if you just have a system that we can quote these things ahead of time, I would be happy to run the numbers by my clients. But I can just imagine myself moving in here, even as a renter, and just kind of having some more of these things touched up would be great. I think just any debris out of the garage, if you could clear that out. Otherwise, that looks okay. And let's go check out upstairs. Okay, these vents, I guess they weren't recognized, but we need to install those. All this extra debris just needs to come out. This bathroom hasn't been cleaned. We need lights put in there. The ceiling needs some kind of attention there, even if it's just to paint it white. But that any exposed ceiling needs to be sealed up, just cleaned up in here. While we're talking about lights, just going through making sure that all the lights have working light bulbs would be great. I'm just seeing a little details like this just to be touched up, sealed with some caulking or something. This windowsill, we just need to have that type of thing finished when we're rent ready. So maybe it's still all being worked on, but you know, this window screen, as I showed you from the outside, needs to be just either taken out or replaced. You know, the cheapest way, just take it out and throw it away. It just doesn't look good. So anyways, those are my thoughts, and would love to hear any feedback from you guys, and I appreciate you listening.